Branches of the external carotid artery. For the better visualizations, we reflect the sternocleidomastoids. This one is the superior iliophomoid, inferior iliophomoids. This is the ansa cervicalis. This one is the common carotid artery. This one is the internal jugular veins. This one is the vagus nerve. The interjugular, vagus nerve and common carotid, all three structure together inside the carotid sheath. Now the first branch, this one is the common carotid. It divides at the two branches, external carotid and internal carotid artery. First branch, which is the superior thyroid. Anteriorly there are three branches. Amongst the first branch, it is the superior thyroid artery, which goes downward and it supplies to the thyroid glands. Second branch, it is called the lingual artery. It goes inside the tongues, behind to the hyoglossus muscles, and it is entered inside the tongue. It is the second branch. And third one is the we reflect also the posterior belly of digastric and styloid muscles for the better visualizations. This one is the facial artery. This is the third branch of the external carotid artery. Anterior three branches, superior thyroid. This one is the lingual. This one is the facial. The posteriorly, the external carotid artery. This one is the hypoglossal nerve. Posteriorly, this is the first branch of the external carotid artery. It is the occipital artery. After that, there is a small branch of the external carotid artery. It is called the posterior auricular, and one branch which goes medially. Here there is a common trunk. This is the occipital artery and this is the ascending pharyngeal artery. So this artery, this is the occipital and this one is the ascending pharyngeals. The last one, the common carotid, external carotid, it divides into the, this one is the superficial temporal and this one is the maxillary artery inside the infratemporal fossa. So inside the infratemporal fossa there is a presence of the parotid gland. This one is a parotid glands. This parotid gland, this is a superficial part we have already removed. The relation inside the parotid glands, the most superficial structure, it is the facial nerve. Deep to it, the facial nerve come out from the stylomastoid foramens. This is the retromandibular veins. It has a two division, anterior and posterior divisions. And deep to it, there is a external carotid artery. So inside the parotid gland, superficial to deep structure are the first facial nerve, retromandibular vein and external carotid artery. So the branches of the external carotid artery, once again, this is the superficial superior thyroid. The second branch, which is lingual, which goes behind to the hyoglossus muscles. Third one is the facial. Fourth one is the occipital, and the occipital and ascending pharyngeal have a common trunk. So small one is the ascending pharyngeal, which goes inside the pharynx, the posterior auriculars, and ultimately the superficial external carotid artery. It divides into the two terminal branch. Last one is the superficial temporal and this one is the maxillary artery. Stop.